that is the kind of stuff that architects have to deal with all the time, where you're figuring out the square footage of a room or a building, and you've got the different costs, and you've got to figure out what that's going to be. Or if an owner says, well, if I just decided to make that another foot longer, so all of a sudden it's 4 by 4, what is that going to do? How much is that going to add? And then they'll ask those kind of questions all the time. And that's where the math part comes in really, really well, because a lot of the stuff you can do in your head. Most of this is easy multiplication. When the numbers can be really big, a calculator helps. But a lot of this stuff, as you can see, you can do in your head. So 4 times 3, that's 12. That's really easy. And 12 times 12, it's 144. So that's really easy. You know. So now if somebody says, I want to add 4 more square feet to that. 4 more square feet is 4 times.
Now what's the cost?
What's the cost?
Per square foot.
No, okay. You're adding another. Okay. Here I'm going to add. You've got this $144 already figured out here. I want to add 4 more square feet, and each square foot is $12. So I'm adding another how many dollars?
Go ahead, Henry. Are you confident?
Yes.
Marina, what do you think?
40.
40. Are you confident?
Yes.
What do you think?
20.
20. Okay, we have 3 different answers. Your answer was 20, and that was kind of, yeah, not really sure. We had a confident 20 over here, we had a 40 over here. Any other ideas? Caroline?
20.
Any different ideas? All right. How did you get 20, Julia?
Because
Find out what this is going to cost. Couple steps. Jake, what do you think?
multiply 4 by 3.
So that's my first step.
And then you get
Hold on. Thumbs up for Jake if you think that's a good first step. Jake, what's that going to give me? What number does that give me?
12.
Okay, so I'm going to take 4 times 3. What? 144 what? Label it. We're finding out the cost. Dollars. So this room would cost me $144 to build with the dimensions that I gave you. That's pretty cheap. I'll build that room now. Drawing 5 by 8 room. You'll do it for yourself. And the cost.
Want to use a scale real quick?
Square foot.
There. All right. See this where it says 1/4 inch? All right. All the numbers here on the bottom, that represents, if you start here, each one of these, the longer line is a 1/4 inch. So that would be 1 foot, 2 foot, and they go every other one. So there's out 6, 8, 10, 12. 1/8 inch, since it's half, it goes this direction. So there it's 0, 1, 2, 3. There you see the 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the 8. Does that make sense? So if you look at this.
What is it? 29.60.
Bam, what? Press A to draw a little couch. Draw a little couch.
Are they going to know the area? Do they have to recall the math?
Are we allowed to use the calculator?
What?
Are we allowed to use the calculator?
Right now, to verify.
3,120.
Wait, what did you do?
20 times 78. See, let's try that. 8 times, wait, times 8.
So you can even write your math.
All right, do you want to know how to use a scale as opposed to stabbing yourself with it?
Wait, 7 times 4.
Because that's the cost of each square foot.
No, this is right.
These are the different scales that we use, but this is the one that's probably used one of the most. Is the 1/8 inch.